Welcome to Philippines Discovery. Lisa here, your honorary Filipina. Today we are discovering popular dishes in the Philippines. If you're not hungry now, you will be by the end of this video. Kumain Tayo Kabayan, which means let's eat, friends. PANSIT. This is a noodle dish that's influenced by the Chinese. There are different variations of PANSIT in the Philippines. You can add chicken, shrimp, pieces of pork. This dish can be found at important Filipino gatherings. Lumpia is the Filipino spring roll. TOCINO is a cured pork dish often eaten at breakfast time. AFRITADA is a chicken dish. You can substitute beef or pork in tomato-based sauce with carrots, potatoes, and bell peppers. KARE-KARE is an oxtail soup that's cooked slowly with peanut butter. It's time-consuming to prepare, so it's used for special occasions. TINOLANG MANOK is a classic comfort food. Chicken pieces with garlic, ginger, onion, and fish sauce. It's traditionally cooked with green papaya. ARROZ CALDO, which means warm rice, is a chicken and rice dish. You can use ginger, garlic, onion, and fish sauce, and it's usually served with a hard-boiled egg. KAMBING is roasted goat served over white rice. BULALO is a beef soup. A good chunk of beef shank is boiled in water with onions, garlic, peppercorns, and salt. SINIGANG BANGUS is a popular milk fish dish. PINAKBET is a vegetable dish, and there are variations, but the dish usually includes bitter melon, eggplant, okra, and string beans. Pork or chicken adobo is marinated meat that's stewed in a mixture of vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, bay leaf, peppercorns, and then served over a bed of white rice. It complements the adobo's sweet and tangy sauce. LECHON, or roasted pig, is the most popular dish in the Philippines. If you've ever been to a Filipino party, you probably have seen a lechon. You cannot miss the savory aroma, perfectly crispy skin, and the flavorful, tender meat. Caldereta is a traditional beef stew. The stew is simmered in tomato puree. You can add carrots, green peas, and potatoes. SISIG is a pork dish sautéed with garlic, onion, green chilies, and vinegar served on a sizzling plate. The New York Times once said it's arguably the best pork dish on earth. Barbecue on a stick is very popular. You can always find fresh seafood at the market. Filipinos love tilapia in particular. DAING is the word for fried fish. Of course, Filipinos are big rice eaters. Don't get between a Filipino and their rice cooker. The Philippines is the 8th largest producer of rice in the world. I'll leave you now with some images of the rice terraces, which are hilly or mountainous slopes for harvesting rice. See you next time on Philippines Discovery. Please subscribe.